Welcome back to episode 3 of Agents in the Wild. This is a series where we cut through the noise behind AI agents and dive into specifics about what these agents actually do, step by step in a real business. Today we're talking about the biggest bottleneck in the collision repair industry, which is the intake gap. Now, before we dive into the how, I want to start with the why by looking at the actual experience of a customer in need of repair. On the left, you see the traditional workflow that most shops are stuck in today. A customer calls or emails and immediately hits a wall of voicemails or plays a bunch of phone tag. They have to wait for a service advisor just to get a rough price and then play more calendar tag just to find an open slot. It's a slow manual process that relies entirely on staff being available. On the right, we're moving from waiting for a callback to an instant 24/7 response. Instead of manual questioning, there's an automated 2 to 3 step triage to identify the damage immediately. And most importantly, the agent provides a preliminary estimate range and a choice of the top 3 booking slots in minutes, not days. This isn't just a small improvement, it's a total transformation of the first 48 hours of the customer journey. The magic starts the moment an inbound request hits the system. Whether it's a text at 9 p.m. on a Sunday, an email, or even a web form, the AI agent is live instantly. There's no hold music and no waiting for a human to become available. The agent doesn't just send a generic "we'll call you." It actually performs the triage. It asks 2 to 3 clarifying questions to identify the damage type. It might be hail, a mechanical issue, or an actual collision, and it cross-references the live parts inventory and technician availability to generate a preliminary estimate range right on the spot. From there, it handles the logistics. The agent checks the shop's live calendar and offers the next 3 available drop-off windows. More importantly, if the vehicle isn't drivable, the agent catches that early and coordinates a tow truck dispatch or referral as part of that booking flow. Now, we aren't removing the human expert. For complex or high dollar estimates, the AI flags the file for a service advisor to review. This ensures the shop stays in control while the AI handles the heavy lifting of data collection. This works because it's not a siloed app. The agent is a unified layer that talks directly to the CRM, the parts inventory system, and the shop's dispatch calendar all in real time. And the impact on staff is massive. Service advisors reclaim 30 to 40% of their day that is currently wasted on basic intake and phone tag. We get 24/7 coverage without adding a single person to our headcount, and the average booking time is less than 10 minutes. The data also shows a massive reduction in friction. We see booking cycles drop from days to minutes, and because of automated reminders, shops are seeing a 20 to 25% drop in no-shows. When you look at this and see the before and after, the choice is clear. You're moving from a manual, reactive process to an automated, proactive one where the customer is booked before they even put their phone down. We know the modern customer doesn't just want a repair. They want a frictionless experience. They want to know their car is taken care of the moment the damage actually happens. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Where else could this type of logic and agents be applied? Let me know in the comments. I'm Connor O'Malley, and this is Agents in the Wild.